Man, we got a lot of shit done. Christine has made it back to the hood. Always good to see an old friend. 99cc all day, fucking right. Oh, some road rash right there. I come to finally see his bike after like 5 years of not seeing it. No.
Got parts.
That's right.
Gotta get the good stuff.
All right, what's up, everybody? Today we're gonna do a couple of errands, I guess. First, we're gonna make these axle retainers for that electric bike there. I thought the electric motor wouldn't have the power to offset the axle, but it does. So I have to make some keepers so that the torque of the motor doesn't move the axle around. Then we got to make a pipe for the off-road bike. Put my new labels and stuff on there. I got to put some lash caps in here. For some reason it had lash caps in it. And we'll put the belt on and the cover, all that good stuff. Just closing some loose ends today. All right, so basically what we're gonna do is we got a piece of metal with a hole in it and a long ass bolt. We're gonna end up cutting this bolt off probably about 2 inches once we get it set up. But I need a return so that the thing doesn't come apart, right? Basically what we're gonna take this and put it all together, put some gloves on so we get no damn metal splinters. Those are the worst. You know, off my magnet here. Put one here, and I'm gonna do the outside edge so that the inside can grab really good. It's nice and square inside. So I'm gonna leave a little gap there, and we're gonna weld her up. Let's hope that grounds. I don't know. We'll see. It did. Woo! It's gonna be hot as that. Here we go. I'm gonna do that again. There we go. Get a new end here. When I do close up or small work like this, a real short lead out.
They just want a new location on earth. Right here, easy like right there. Most of my big homes just need a chair and a beer.
Well, bam. Okay. Now I gotta weld these to the bolt. Gotta put this in without it melting my fucking fingers. I'm gonna hook to this card over here. Okay, so let me see here. Maybe I can do something stupid like that. No, I'll just put it on the table. Oh, that sucker is hot. So this is the other one. There's my sanded edges. There they are. So I'm gonna put this in the middle, straight as I can get. Take my hood off. This needs to be straight. It gives a little, I don't think we need it through there quite yet. I'm just gonna try to keep it level. We want it right on the outside. Take these fucking gloves off. We want it pretty square to the air here. I want it right on the edge. That looks pretty straight. So now we're gonna tack that sucker and then weld her up all the way. And again, with this detailed stuff, I like to clip short. So we got that one tacked. We'll get the other one tacked. Wait, let this one kind of cool down, and we'll get it fully welded. This tool is a center finder for a circle. You put it in there, in the V, and you're in center, just like that. And then I'll turn her, but it's pretty close. 90s, and mark it. All right, fucking bike on this table is kicking my ass. I got nowhere to do nothing. I gotta get the pipe made for the sucker and get it off my damn table. Fuck, stupid gloves. Sometimes you gotta have no fucking gloves. Down here, so we're looking pretty good there. All right, so now we'll go back and weld the rest of the other one and let this one cool a little bit. Do the same.
Got a new version of heaven. They just want a new location on earth. Right here, easy like right there. Most of my big homes just need a chair and a beer.
It still work though. Exhausts are always the most fun. I don't have any help. Oh. What? That was horrible. Okay.
You'll never forget. North many bikes, yeah, they got that effect. Bound by quality, skill to perfect. North many bikes, kings of the scene, best in the game.
And as you can see, this is our off-road exhaust. And here it is installed. Just waiting for some gaskets. I ran out of gaskets. So there it is. Had to make a little bend there at the end to kind of point her away from the fender, but straight pipe is the most power. Should be louder than hell. All right, so we're finally done with this bike. Parts came. I did get another tank so I could get the cap and everything. I did put this beautiful dent right here on accident with a rubber mallet. So if you get this tank, she's pretty thin, but everything fit in there. I got my TM on there. I got my wiggle room. What else? Oh, I gotta put my lash caps back on. We got these welded in place. I'm gonna do some more on the bottom. I also have to finish welding my, I don't know, peg bar or something. So I have to get it off this table and get it on the pulley over here so I can get underneath of it and grind some metal, or expose it with the grinder. And then I can weld that up better. We'll weld underneath here, and that'll be it. I do have another tank in case that one goes to crap. This one came right here, so I do have a pretty one, but this isn't gonna be a pretty bike. So I went and made a little dent over here so that it would match both sides. And yes, I did put this cover on over the jug and everything. So the jug's got stage 2 weights in it. I could have cut this thing better. For $1,200, man, you can't beat this bike. There's no way in hell I could buy all these pieces and all this stuff and put that bike together for $1,200. There's no way. So it is definitely a nice bike. Plan to do some prepping. Do a little prepping with this right here. So this is her. These are the 280 Amazon shocks. Get the 280s. What else? Everybody asks me. Tank is from Amazon. It's like the $55 one, like that. I got thumb throttle because I love these grips. These foam grips are just where it's at. Thumb throttle is just cooler. The cool kids are using. These are just dirt bike fenders. I just found some cheap, cool looking dirt bike fenders online. I think they were $16 a piece. I bought 2 of them because this one takes most of the fender. These are both front fenders that I got. And I just put them on like that. And I cut it off at the bottom. And then this one, there's a line that I follow, just like in the Red Beer Garage video. You just cut it off at a certain point. Well, she's real dusty. She's been sitting up here for a while. But we're gonna get her down, probably get her broken in, all that good stuff, and get ready for the snow to peace out.